Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming eligibility and gathering the basics, a U.S. phone number and any required documentation. Once you have that, register through the Caption Call website or call their enrollment line. Provide your name, address, and phone number. When the adapter arrives, plug it between your phone and the wall jack, then connect the power. Make sure the device lights indicate power and network. This first step gets you into the system fast, so you can proceed directly to personalization and tests. Once done with physical setup, follow the on-screen prompts to choose language, text size, contrast, and audio volume. You will test captions by making both inbound and outbound calls. Listen for delay and tweak settings so text appears promptly. Make sure voicemail transcription and preferred contacts are configured, and pair Bluetooth or set up a corded handset if you use one. These mid-process steps fine-tune readability and timing, which matters because caption accuracy depends on clear audio and correct profile. To complete setup, finalize preferences like auto-start captions, night mode, and screen timeout so the display matches your routine. If captions stop appearing, reboot the adapter first, then check the phone line for dial tone and confirm any required internet or network links. Make sure the handset volume and microphone are clear. If problems persist, contact Caption Call support and provide the adapter model, any error code, and a recent call example so they can replicate and resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.